The plan feature has definitely simplified a lot of my regular workflows. For my research, a lot of it involves developing sensors. With the plan feature and multi-layered deposition, I can now kind of relax a lot of constraints by separating different sensor elements or traces or components to different layers. The first thing when bringing in all these different files, bring them all into the plan feature, and then I'm trying to go in and pick the best trace space that gives me a really good toolpath from the view of it. I'm going to go in and remove additional toolpaths that I don't want to do. And so there's a give and take between being able to have a really efficient toolpath and then being able to go in and fix your print later on. The biggest feature of the plan that helped me the most was the reverse or ability to change the direction of toolpaths and change the direction of start and stops. And so being able to fine tune all these settings, being able to increase the probe pitch and look at, okay, when I do a probe pitch of 2.5 millimeters, yeah, I'm getting probe points mostly around my design, but if I bring that down a little bit, now I'm getting a lot of probe points on really critical regions. And so it's super powerful to be able to quickly look at that. Kind of saves me a lot of time because I can easily just go in and kind of plan out the whole thing. And so it's really exciting to see what the future holds and kind of how this keeps going.